Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at how to embed your Simplebooklet on a web page. In just a few clicks, you can display your booklet directly on your website so visitors can interact with it without opening a new tab. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to select the booklet that we want to embed. Once we've found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Share button. From here, we're going to scroll down to the Embed on a Web Page section under Publish. And then we're going to click Code to open the Embed Code pop-up. From here, you can choose how your Simplebooklet will appear on your site. You'll see a few options for sizes. There's original size, which keeps your booklet's native dimensions. There's dynamic fit, which automatically fills the container it's placed in. And then there's custom width, which lets you set a specific width, and the height will adjust automatically to maintain the correct proportions. If needed, you can also manually edit the width and height values directly in the embed code itself. And then we also have some navigation options right here, so you can choose how your nav bar appears. The candy bar displays a clean bottom navigation bar. Minimalist shows a compact bottom navigation button, or you can choose to disable footer navigation entirely. You can always customize navigation styles later in the Design Nav Layout tab. Once you've selected your display settings, click Copy to copy the embed code. And then from here, you would open your website editor, and you would paste the code into an embed HTML or custom code block, depending on your website platform. For example, in Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress, you'll use an HTML or embed block. On blog platforms, you may need to switch to HTML view and paste the code there. And then you can save and publish your page. After that, your Simplebooklet will appear as a fully interactive embed directly on your website. Just a quick reminder, your website must support iframes for embeds to work. Also, the embedded booklet has a transparent background by default, so it blends nicely with your site's design. And all your analytics, updates, and tracking remain connected to the original booklet. Embedding your Simplebooklet supports the attention and immersion stages of the reader's journey. It keeps readers engaged on your own site, reduces friction, and creates a more seamless and professional browsing experience. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.